Okay, you guys, give me the toy. This is Dreamy Dream. That's Gunter back there with the dirty face. Gemma. Gemma. Oh, here's Layla. Layla. There's Layla. There's Gemma. Gemma. Hi, Gemma. And there's Dreamy Dream. And this right here, Gilly. The little Gilly. She's not. Oh, and there comes the mom to show her how to do it. She's the little one in the litter. So she's a little bit more. What are you doing over there? What are you doing? Oh, and there's Jedi back there. Hi, Gemma. Gemma. Here, Gemma. And Layla, she's a blue and white female. Gemma's a black and white female. And Dreamy Dream. Hi, baby girl. She's a female. There's my, oh. Dreamy Dream really wants it. There's mom. Oh, there's Rusty. Rusty. Yep.